Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we're going for today. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. But first, y'all already know we got to have a drink, and today I'm doing Moscow Mule again. Y'all, I really like this drink. I tried the margarita as well, but honey, I drank all of those before I could record the video. So anyway, next time I'll go ahead and introduce that one to the channel. But yeah, y'all already know what it is. Bloop 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 bloop. Let's get our drink on. Let's get right into it. So I have already prepped my nails before we started this. You know, IBD gel under the bottom and buffed off the top. I'm going to start with the thumb. I'm using base coat, a hot pink, silver, and a milky white to create this marble nail. Y'all, this marble nail got me in a chokehold. I feel like every set I do a marble nail, I don't know what it is about it, but girl, it got some type of hold on me. So anyway, once I get all of the colors placed, I am going to go ahead and mix all of the colors using a dotting tool. Once I got done with that, I cured it for 30 seconds. I'm going to place my top coat, and then I'm going to do a full cure for 60 seconds. So for my nails, I wanted to do like really opaque pink and white. And to get the opaque white that I wanted, I just put some of the color on my mixing palette and I added base coat to kind of dilute the color. I did this for both my pink and my white nails, and then for the outline I mixed it the same way. I believe I did 2 to 3 coats of both the white color and the pink color on those nails. So I'll go ahead and let y'all watch the rest. So boom, here is what the set is looking like so far. Now it's time to get into the bling. It is so cute. I don't know what it is about pink and white that I'm feeling so much lately, but yeah, this set, it did it for me. So as I told y'all in the previous video, I wanted to try the Zulays, but I can't until I'm done with these two little jars. So as you can see, that jar is nearly empty. I have that one to finish. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into placing our glue and placing our rhinestones. Also, I do want to say, y'all, I am in the middle of switching careers, so I'm not really sure if I'll be uploading content, and I'm so sad because, like, why would I start this in the middle of me switching careers? I am going to do truck driving. I've been in the medical field for about 8 years now, and I'm sick of it. I'm over it. It's not giving what it's supposed to be then gave at this point in my life, so I need to move on, and truck driving is where it's at. So that's what I'll be doing. So if you guys don't see any content from me, I'm sorry, but as soon as I get done with that, and as soon as I get myself situated, I most definitely will be back uploading content. So I believe between this video and the next 2 weeks, I should have at least 2 or 3 more sets for you guys. So anyways, this is me applying my bling. For my bling nail, I like to place my bigger jewels down first, and then cure those. That way when I go in to put my smaller rhinestones, they don't be slipping and sliding all over the place. So I do a full cure for 1 minute with my big rhinestones, and then I go in and place my small rhinestones on one side, and then cure that, and then complete the other side, and then boom, we're done. But I'll go ahead and let y'all watch the rest.
You want from me anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made up promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I got Spanish. Excuse my English. I got Spanish. I got status. You want status? See more comments. And I see commas. Nigga want tell me. We going down to.
And boom, this is the finished look. I love it. It's so dainty and girly. I absolutely love this look. But let's just jump right into this try on. Boom. It is so cute. Now, y'all already know I'm not good with straight lines. So, you know, I did what could be done with the tools that I had. And yeah, I'm loving it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I now have 8 subscribers. Your girl is blowing up. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.